right, here we are. Gonna go do a little bit of roundup, brand some cattle. We got our trailer back there. Gonna go ride the 50 Mile Mountain. What do you think, Drew?
Ready.
All right.
Take two.
Take two. All right. Doing some fencing.
Your whole fence is a little crooked.
I think next week they'll push it back straight.
That's what I was just gonna say. Thank goodness it's the right way crooked.
Yeah.
I'm a man who's gone to hell with heaven's blessing.
Here and have to hike this in the
The
summer.
judge said I'm not fit to live.
That's the kind of stuff that we
They're building me a gallows in the courtyard.
I'm hoping we get some coffee.
Make sure I don't pass this way again. My first taste of killing was at Vicksburg. I must have shot me 100 men. I learned to make my living with a 6-gun. I'm an outlaw now, but I was a hero then. Oh Lord, if I had only known the misery, that glory's something not worth killing for. I wish now I had never touched the handle of a hair trigger Colt 44. I was a hunted desperado.
Hey, Drew.
How
are we going, man?
With a price on my head.
How are we getting up there?
I thought that I could steal a taste of freedom.
Yeah, we just got to get up
got
over this.
me a hangman's noose instead. Oh Lord, if I had only known the misery, that glory's something.
I've got a good woman at home who thinks I do no wrong. But sometimes, Lord, she just ain't always around. And you know that's when I fall. Now I can't help myself at all. And I get whiskey bent, hellbound. Play me some songs about a rambling man. Put a cold one in my hand. 'Cause you know I love to hear those guitar sounds. Don't you play, I'm so lonesome I could cry. 'Cause I'll get all balled up inside. And I'll get whiskey Don't play your cheap heart, 'cause that'll tear me all apart. I get whiskey bent and hellbound. Yeah, old Hank song always make me feel down.
Well, there used to be a time when candlelight and wine was all that a woman would need. Man, you'd be a winner if you took her out to dinner or a movie she's been wanting to see. But the world has turned and it's time you learn that the old ain't a working no more. Yeah, the rules have changed and it's a brand new game. And buddy, if you want to score, you gotta get off the couch, get out of the house, long about Friday night.
Shout out on Instagram.
Polish up your moves if you want to keep her
Facebook.
satisfied.
This is Facebook.
You know the grind will do it every time if you want to keep your little girl. But you don't stand a chance that you take her out and dance, 'cause we're living in a honky-tonk world. Well, sooner or later, all your couch potatoes, well, you're gonna be the lonely one. And if you want good loving, then you gotta keep up, and you better know your Brooks from your Duns. Yeah, don't even think that your Engelbert Humperdinck record's gonna turn her on.
How's that sausage, Ryan?
Delicious. Oh, there was a mouse just ran up that pole, it looks like. I think it was a fly, though.
How's your sausage,
It's
young
really
man?
good.
It's pretty good, isn't it? Freshly cooked on our stove.
Henry Mountain, biggest bucks in the world to kill off that mountain right there.
Really?
Way. Oh, that right there.
We made camp along Red River, watched the cattle as they bedded down. And back at the wagons right after supper,
Alright, here we are.
spread our bedrolls on the
Drew,
ground.
Ryan,
And me and Willie
Mitch, we're on
We
the
took the
rim
night
of
guard.
50 Mile Mountain.
and the sage never smelled so
Powell
sweet.
and Grand
The
Canyon.
prairie moon was blazing silver, no chance tonight for a stampede. Way over yonder, off in the distance, towards the mountains, there in the west, did I see lightning? Did I hear thunder? My mind is weary.
Oh, that's
I could
right.
use some rest. Then all at once, the wind shifts directions. The clouds roll in behind the tumbleweeds. These longhorn cattle are getting restless. God help us all if they stampede. Smell the rain, hear the thunder.
Us three gonna drive?
Midnight sky turns black as death. Lightning crashes, smell the sulfur. It's rank and strong as Satan's breath.
Oh, come up here to the gate.
Rise up and go to running. I spur my pony on to take the lead. And across the herd, I can hear Willie yelling, "Hey, Stampede!" they mix together, turn the air to mud. I feel the longhorns brush against me, and I can feel the demons racing through my blood. Then all at once, my pony stumbles. We hit the ground, and I rise up to my knees. In a flash of light, I can see the cattle coming. Lord, I know I'm gonna die in this stampede.
Yeah. Some Rocky Mountain oysters there.
There you go. I wait and I look around me. I'm in my bedroll and I'm laying on the ground. Over there's a wagon and there's the campfire. I was only dreaming, but what's that sound? I feel the earth tremble underneath me as the midnight sky begins to bleed. And from the blackness I can hear Willie yelling, "Hey, Stampede!"
Hey. Alright, a little bit of camp cooking on the stove. Got some beans and some Rocky Mountain oysters. That's right. High in protein. Ready to throw that over there, Mitch?
Yep.
Get us gone?
Yep.
Take off time to time with those crazy friends of mine. Head out on steel horses with wheels and we ride. We burn up that road to old Mexico, blend in with the desert, just we amigos and we roll. Cowboys like us sure do have fun, racing the wind, chasing the sun. Take a long way around, back to square one. Today we're just outlaws out on the run. There'll be no
Drew,
Yeah.
you washing your truck off?
Yeah.
It's pretty dirty here, bro. Pretty dirty. I started the bumper.
Yeah. I only follow business related people. I don't even follow my wife. Okay.
It's gonna be the coolest
You're-
show.
yeah.
You guys are gonna be showing your bikes. See? Well,
Even Drew took his halter off, dude.
it's all right. It's the way I'm trained.
You know what? I'm
We don't
gonna
mind.
get you? Looks like a Bozell, but it's like has a little leather thing, and you just use that so you don't look like a sheep herder, dude.